Good morning, students. How are you all? I wish you all are good at home and devoting enough time to your studies. Student, today we will do link to external data and link to external registered source data. These options are not present in MS Excel. Therefore, we are using a different spreadsheet software. And today we will do our practical in OpenOffice. Click OpenOffice and from here select spreadsheet. Spreadsheet in itself is a data source or a database. So here we will create some records. For example, telephone directory. So I am writing name of the persons and their telephone numbers. Second entry, write any random numbers as the telephone number. So this is my telephone directory and I have made here 3 entries. So save this. Name of the file is telephone and I'm going to save it on the desktop. Save it. Close this file. Now we will create a link to this external data in our this worksheet. From here, go to the Insert tab and there is a option Link to External Data. Click here. From this window, you can select your database from this drop down. If your database is not reflecting here, then click on the Browse button and from the desktop select the file telephone. Open it. Now you can see available table and ranges. This is empty. This is because we have not created any range or table in our previous spreadsheet file. Therefore, first of all, close this. Open our this telephone file. And give range name to this range. So this is our telephone directory. So I am going to write here tele. So you can see here when we select this range, this name comes here, tele. Now close this file. Open spreadsheet, a new spreadsheet, and from here select link to external data. Select your spreadsheet file and the name of the file was telephone. Now you can see here the range is reflecting here, tele, and here is the feature update every. So we will see what will be the effect of this update feature. So give time here, only 5 seconds. Click on the OK button. Update all links. So you can see here the data from our telephone file now come to our this file. So in this way we can create a link to the external data. Now if I change this telephone number to 12, now you can see after 5 minutes it will get automatically updated from the external data. I'm changing here name from Baljit to Raghav. So you can see this data will get updated automatically from its source. So in this way we can create a link to external data. Now we will see how we can create a registered data source. A registered data source means a data source or a database which can be used into other Excel files. For this, go to the file and from here select database. So there are options: create a new database, open an existing database, and connect to an existing database. So if we already have created a registered data source, then we can connect to that registered data source from these options. There is ADO, Microsoft Access 2007, DBase, spreadsheet, but we have not created any registered data source yet, so therefore we will select the option create a new database. Now next, do you want the wizard to register the database in OpenOffice? Because we want to create a registered database, therefore select yes here and click on the finish button. We are going to give a name to this file, to this database, new database. Let it be as it is. Click on the save button. So from here we will create a table in our database. We know wizard is the option with which we can easily do our work, so we will create our table with the help of this wizard feature. Use wizard to create table. Click here. Now we are going to create table for our personal use, therefore select here personal, and from here let it be account. So these are the column names. If we want all the columns in our table, just click here. You can see all these columns are on the right side. It means these columns are selected. And if we want only selected number of columns, for example account ID, then click here, account name, we require this in our table, account number, and account type. These 4 columns I have selected. Then click on the finish. So you can see here there is a table with the same selected column names. ID, it is generally in numeric and in continuous. Account ID, it can be any number, for example 5. Account name Raj, account number, and account type saving. Now second ID, it will be 2. Account ID, it can be anything. Account number, account type, this is current account, and here the third entry, account again, save. Now save this table. Close this and close this database also. Students, here is our registered data source, new database, and we will create a link to this registered data source in our spreadsheet. So open the file, new file, Now we will create a link to the external data source. For this, go to the tool tab and here select the last options, and from there open Office Base, expand it and select databases. When you click here databases, you can see all your registered databases here, and the name of our database was new database. Select it. Okay, now a link has been created to the registered data source, and to see the data on our this spreadsheet, go to the view and from here select data sources. You can also select data sources from this option, data sources, and now you can see there is our registered data source, new database, and there is a table, and the name of the table was accounts, because we have created here entries related to the account of a person, account ID, account type, account name. So this was our data in our registered data source. So select this entire table. To bring this table to our this spreadsheet, we will select the entire data here, and there is a option data to text. If this option is not there, we can select this option from the visible buttons here. There is data to text. You can see here data to text. So select this option, data to text. So in this way you can bring the data of the external registered data source to your current spreadsheet file. Okay, we can save it. We will give the name db1.